Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Learn with Your Buddy, and today I'm here with another video of our data structure series, and today we will learn recursion. Well, recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself to solve a smaller version of the same problem, and it continues until it reaches a base case. Now, the structure of a recursion is that every recursive function has two parts, base case and recursive case. Well, base case stops the recursion, and the recursive case, that means it calls the function itself. Here we have a structure that we will do in our code in our upcoming videos. So yeah, that's now we will learn about recursion basics. Well, it's a very important concept. In base case, it means here the condition that stops the recursion. For example, if n is equals to 1, it will return 1. And in recursive call, the function calls itself with a smaller input. For example, return n factorial, that means n minus 1. To solve problem on factorial, now let's see call stack. Well, every recursive call stored in the stack memory. For example, we have factorial 3, then 2, then 1, then it returns values back. Okay, so that was our call stack. So after that we will know recursion versus iteration. Well, in recursion it calls function itself, and iteration uses loops. Now, the structure of recursion is that base class and recursive call, and in iteration is for or while loop. And for memory, recursion uses stack memory and iteration uses less memory. Recursion is slower and iteration is faster, and recursion is easier for complex problems and iteration is better for simple problems. And we can see that here the iteration is for loop. We have done for before in our C programming tutorial, and for recursion it calls the function itself. Okay, now we will see the advantages and disadvantages. And for advantage of recursion is that this makes code simpler and useful for free and graph algorithms, and good for divide and conquer problems. For example, we have done tree traversal, DFS, merge sort, quick sort. And in disadvantages we can see that it uses more memory and slower than iteration, and also here we have a risk of stack overflow. Well, we have learned about overflow before, I guess. So yeah, that's it. And then we have some example like factorial problems. Well, we know if we know the formula that is n into n minus 1, I mean 1 will be deducted. Like for factorial 5, we will have 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and then we will just multiply them and get a result. Okay, let's see the recursive breakdown. Here the factorial 5 we have done is elaborately. So here we have 5 into factorial 4, so 5 into 4 into factorial 3, 5, 4, 3 into factorial 2, then 1. Okay, that's how we got the result 120. Hope you guys got it till here. So that's all for today. If you guys find my videos useful, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video where we will solve some problem on this theoretically. So yeah, that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, take care, and Allah Hafiz.